Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here today with lunch. In fact, I would make this fresh for dinner. This is an amazing pasta dish. I love it when we make pasta like this. We just basically saute cherry tomatoes and spinach and olive oil and garlic, and then we add any kind of pasta we want and any kind of protein we want. We did it in the past with salmon and steak. This time we did shrimp, and we marinated shrimp with the zest and the juice of a lemon, some Italian seasoning, salt and pepper, and just let that marinate for about 20-30 minutes, as long as you can. Saute it in a pan, just sear it in the pan, and then add it all together with some penne pasta. I put some Parmesan cheese and a little balsamic glaze drizzle. Link is gonna be in the recipe for that glaze. I would definitely recommend it. Guys, try it out. It is in the app today. Y'all take care. Hey Lola, come on.